Check this out.
Oh, you sick mother.
No, you're jealous.
Well played. And I've got the Chipotle ring burner.
Oh, how good is it?
Yeah. Do you want the ring burner?
Yeah, maybe
High risk.
Yeah, it gives a bit of high risk. I like to live dangerously. Today's been all about the high risk.
Not like the boundary, mate. Really close, mate. Not the top, but it's perpendicular to the side there.
There's Chipotle in that. You're dead. You're done. That one's a real afterburner handover.
Yeah, I'm not done there.
Way down.
Well done.
That's gonna be a spongy. Oh no. Oh god. I'm glad you sauce. Not giving up.
Little chicken out of
It's nice.
Oh no.
Alright.